a new and exciting fragrance from the house of Kromnostob. You are a model car enthusiast, and a good one. Your workbench is your empire. The kits, the tools, the soothing aromas. If only you could take but a portion of the workbench with you throughout your day. Well, now you can with new Hobbydew 007 cologne. The subtle essence of fresh factory sealed kit, classic Testors paint fume, the air of premium model cement, and freshly cut stearine plastic. Oh yes. Keep your hobby a secret no longer. Tell the world that you're a model car enthusiast with Hobbydew 007 cologne. Also available in Snaptide. Hobbydew 007 cologne is available at these fine retailers: Woodworth's, JB Fields, Q-Mart, Joe's House of Great and Smelly Things, Nasal Rod's Model Car Emporium and Stuff. Also available at select hobby shops that have not yet been selected.